Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytic. In this video, you can learn from today is the top 12 Power BI DAX functions in interview questions. And you can able to learn in this video is the top 12 DAX functions. And learn with can like to go for any interview Power BI interview and data analyst into business analyst and business data science also. These questions can help you from you. Definitely, everyone should like to learn from the Power BI regularly, right? These questions can help you, right? Every question not able to go with a depth, but I'll give the sum of scenario along with I'll give the example also. Don't worry about that. Any question not able to understand in the comment section, will give which question not able to understand. Definitely I have to create a one of the video. Don't worry about that. Okay. And if you like this, you like, subscribe my data analytic. Let's go to step by step can able to go. First question: what is the DAX in the Power BI? No, the DAX means data analytical expression. No, second one, what is the difference between the calculate and filtered function in DAX? Now, third one, explain the concept on the core context. Now, fourth one, how could we calculate the year to date and sales using the DAX? Now, fifth one, what is the difference between the sum and sum x in DAX? And what does the all function do in DAX? And how could you calculate the month to date and sales using the DAX? And eighth one, explain the difference between the calculate column and measure in the DAX. And ninth one, how could we handle the many to many relationship in the Power BI using the DAX? And tenth one, how can you calculate the run total using the DAX? What is the align in the function in the when you could you using it? And how can you handle the error in the DAX? These are top questions can help you from the when I go from the interview. This is called real-time interview question. I like to face these types of question also. Don't worry, and definitely you can able to learn from the 12 top 12 questions. Definitely you can able to crack the interview, guys. Okay, don't worry about that. And if you have any doubts also and regarding to this Power BI related or your career related, I'll please give you the description for you in the comment section also. I'll give you my personal email ID. Please contact with me. Don't worry about that. Let's go. First one. What is the DAX in the Power BI? They ask the interview. What is the DAX? DAX is a standard from data analytical expression. If using the formula language using the Power BI or Power Pivot and SMS at Tableau module. And DAX is a designing the work of the related to data is using to create a custom calculation or custom made column and collect the table in the measure. The DAX is they was asked the interview what is the DAX in Power BI. Okay. Second one, what is the difference between the calculate and filter the function in Power DAX? Now you can able to see calculate means you can change the constant context in the which is data is validity. It is used to modify the filter the context of the calculate. Filter retain the table what is represented the subset of another table. It does not modify the context but is offer you inside the another function like calculation. Now you can give the example. Now calculate the sum of sales. Filter sales equal to region equal to west. The filter you can able to use. I need the particular region is a south region, west region, north region, or example. Okay, three reasons is there, but I need the particular sales in the west region only. But you can using the filter function you can able to find out the particular region sales. Okay, okay guys, you can able to understand, right? Now go with the third question. Explain the concept from the row context. Now is the row concept means is refers to the current row when is the calculating is beginning to performing on a table row by row in this a common is a calculate column. Now filter context is referred to set of filter to apply the report slicer or explicitly on DAX formulas using the function like calculate and filtering. Let's give the example also. I know this is an example. Row context, the sales and the profit measure equal to sales in the total sales minus sales of total cost. Now filter you can able to use total sales is equal to calculate the sum of total sales comma sales category equal to electronic. Now I need to find out the particular sales in the what is the category is the electronic that is using from the row by row can able to use. Okay, yeah. Now fourth one, how could you calculate the year to date and sales using the DAX? Now what is the year to date means you need to date format, now, but I need the particular year sales, right? Yeah, year to date. Yeah, now can able to see total EYTD function is a commonly used in the calculate the year to date metric. Now is example year to date sales equal to total YTD sum of sales, total sales comma sales order date. Now example will give the, okay, go with the fifth one. What is the difference between the sum and sum x in the DAX? Sum is add up to all the values in the column. Example I will give the sum x means to integrated function that is the sum of expression evaluate the each row in the table. Example means sum function can able to use the only the one column into sum, but sum x is equal to is a row wise row you can able to calculate. Example, I need the particular quality, I need the and sales. I need to find out the what is the quality into sales. That is you can able to use in the sum x function you can use, can easy to calculate the sum x comma can able to see sum calculate equal to sum x sales quality into sales price. Okay now guys, yeah, go with sixth question. How could be all function does in DAX? The all functions remove any filter. The measure has to be applied to a table or column. Return all the rows from the rows in this table or column. Now all function can able to use if you need the particular total sales in the region wise. I need the only the example. What is the sales is the 10 lakhs. Okay, is a 10 lakh sales, but region wise you can able to north region, south region, west region, but north region 10 lakhs, south region 10 lakhs, and west region also 10 lakhs. You can able to get the results like that. Okay, yeah. Now go with the one more question guys. For one more time I'm telling guys, if you're not able to understand any type of question also, please give the comment section which question you're not able to understand. Okay, I'll definitely will give the one of the create one video with example also. Don't worry about that. Okay, let's go one more question. Is the seventh question. How could we calculate the month to date and sales using the DAX? The total MTD function is a commonly used in the calculate month to date matrix. Now this is called example MTD sales equal to total MTD sales total sales comma sales of order date. Now I need to find out the month to sales. Now example I will give the January, February, March, April, May. Is a January 2020 they get the multiple Januaries. Okay, and I need to get particular sales, the one 10 lakhs and one more 20 lakhs. Again, you can able to get the place and you can able to get the value of here. Okay, and now eighth one, explain the difference between the calculated column and measure tags. Calculate column, it is do the row is operation in this table, it is store the values in the memory. Like other column, the new column will be the add. In this table we can see the date will be the date tab, so tab so there consuming the memory. There was a calculate column, measure column means the calculate column can row by row can able to calculate, but measure we can able to calculate the aggregative functions only. Okay, the level one, what is the align function when you could be using it? Align function is function, it is used to reference to a row of context when you multiple rows context or nested. Now is a row means when the three different tables is there. First table product, second table and region, and fourth table and sales. But I need the what is the particular region column, what is the sales, and what is the which product it is. I need to find out using the LE function can able to easy to find out. How can you handle the error when you get the any type of error in the right? Power BI can using any function, there is doesn't have any value can using this if error we can give the sum of the value can is not able to get the any error guys. using the if error function, managing the error. Safe division, if error sales, total sales divided by sales of total orders, comma 0. Okay, is the top 12 questions, guys. Can able to learn, definitely can able to crack the interview, guys. If you need the examples also, guys, please give me a comment section. Definitely I will give the create a one of the video one by one question deeply. I will like to explain also. Don't worry about that. Okay, and if you really like this video, like, subscribe my data analyst take. If you want give the one like, it is helpful for me. One subscribe also helpful for me. Okay, if not able to understand, again I will be give you the example also, deeply I will be understanding also. Give the example also. Don't practically I will explain one by one. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, bye bye. If you really like this video, like, subscribe my data analyst tech.